Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to cash out Robux. So firstly we need to open our browser, and in the search panel of our browser we'll type Roblox. Then click on the Google search button. After that, go to the website of Roblox. Let the website load properly. After that, make sure you are logged in with your ID. Then go to the Create tab. After the Create tab loads, you have to go to the Finances section on the left hand side of your screen. Left click on it. Then click on the DevX button. Now, if you are a member of the Developer Exchange program, you are eligible to cash out any Robux you have in your account if it is more than 30,000. And the exchange rate is 30,000 Robux for $105 American dollars. But there are some certain criteria you need to follow before you can be a full DevX member. For instance, you have to be at least 13 years of age or older, and you have to have at least 30,000 Robux in your account, which is earned. You must have a Roblox verified email ID, have a valid DevX portal account, and you also have to fill up some tax information, W9 for US taxpayers and W8 for non-US taxpayers. And you also have to comply with the ongoing service requirement for developers. And you also have to follow the Roblox terms of use and community guidelines. If you have done all these correctly, then you will be eligible to cash out using the Developer Exchange. So in order to cash out, you just have to click on this cash out button. Then after a few days, the cash will be in your account. You can do it only once in each month, so keep that in mind and enjoy.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.